What a wild morning. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. If you guys have not seen what has been announced. So first off, Tesla at one point was down 6%. So it was down 6%, aggressively sold off, and then made a full recovery thanks to the overall performance of the NASDAQ market. Now, again, just like yesterday, let me make this very clear. I've been wrong in the past before. I wasn't wrong yesterday, but I've been wrong in the past before. This is just my opinion. I think that this is a bull trap. The reason why is, again, for two reasons. First off, mainly for Tesla. That's the one that I'm targeting. The reason I believe that Tesla doesn't even belong here is that, well, I am actively shorting it as of right now. And the reason I'm shorting it is it became overbought when it absolutely got destroyed when it came down to its reports for the numbers of vehicles that they delivered. There is an expectation for Tesla to deliver over 370,000 vehicles or 380,000 vehicles. And that was a lower expectation, or that expectation was lowered because of how terrible Tesla was already projected to do in Q1 due to all the backlash and negative sentiment of his affiliation with Trump. Now, again, I've said it before, I love Elon. That doesn't change what is actually being reported and how the markets should react. My personal opinion or bias on an individual should not dictate on my ability to seek an opportunity when it comes down to trading. Tesla reported terrible deliveries, one of the worst that it has in years. This is a 13% drop from a year ago. Now, again, you might think that it's not that bad. It is. It missed a major report. And because of that, it sold off 6%. It gapped up. It became overbought. And in my opinion, I see this to be as an overbought reversal. I think that Tesla will continue to sell off. On the day, I can see it go back to $250 per share. But big picture, I still think that Tesla can go below $200 per share. Tesla is not doing well financially. Its guidance is terrible for 2025, and its trajectory for 2025 and 2026 is not good. Elon continues to work with DOGE, which takes him away and keeps him away from Tesla. This is not helping the sentiment for his investors and the confidence of him being able to successfully run this company as the CEO. So unless there's a change that happens there, it is not looking good for Tesla. The second thing, Liberation Day. That's the main focus for today for the overall market. That's not just Tesla as a whole. So President Donald Trump will announce the details on Liberation Day, and this is at 4 p.m. EST, where he will redraw economic agreements with the U.S. trading partners. Trump and his team will be weighing out options as of late yesterday, with no financial decision yet made ahead of the Rose Garden announcement. 4 p.m. today. That is when the market closes. Now, again, why is he waiting until after the market closes? I don't know. I feel like he's always been very vocal. If he had anything positive to say, he would say during normal trading hours. But why is he waiting until after? You guys let me know in the comment section what you think. I was thinking, we do not have to, but I was thinking of possibly going live for this event and seeing how the markets react as Trump goes live and says what he says, right? If anything negative said, more tariffs, more disagreements, more uncertainty, get ready for markets to drop even further. If he says positive things with positive outlooks and then simmering down with these tariffs, then maybe markets can begin to recover. It is all based off of what he says. There's no reason on why I should try to predict or expect something to happen when it's all based off of his sentiment. All I'm here to say is that markets pushed up and recovered for no reason. Markets are overbought on the day, yet overall sentiment is still incredibly bearish. I don't think it's a good look that he's waiting until the market closes for him to give his announcement. But again, I'll let you guys decide. If you guys get this video to over 1,000 likes, I'll host that live stream. If not, no hard feelings. Again, you guys can watch it all yourself, right? I hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And just like today, we opened up our Tesla short during today's live trading session with my LPP team. Every single day right at market open, they get to watch me trade live. If this is something that you want access to, it's the second link in the description down below, and you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. It literally breaks down to as little as $1.35 per day. So whenever it is that you are ready, second link down below, and I'll see you tomorrow at market open for our live session. Take care, team.